Today I'm going to show you how you can make a $60 per hour with this simple website. Before we get in the video, please guys subscribe to my channels. I make videos on money making, motivation story, case studies, and tutorials. Every information you needed to build a successful online business. So if you're new to my channels, subscribe, like, and share. So just jump on the video. The website I'm talking about is called Testing Time. Testing Time is another website like user testing or Try My UI. It's a website testing. You have to test a website or app for money. It's depend on different websites and different time. They pay different amount of money. But for example, this website user testing gonna pay you $60 per hour. So I'm new to this website. I never used it before. So I'm gonna sign up and gonna show what is inside, what you have to do, each single step you have to follow to make money on testing time. So I did website testing on validity. I'm making at least a $10 per day doing one test because I don't have enough time to do that. But user testing is not working at the time moment because I haven't get any other test because that's difficult to do. But testing time is one of the website I heard a positive feedback, so I'm gonna show you guys how you can do. So you have to come to the website called testingtime.com. If you are living EU European Union, the EN.com, just worry about that. This front page is for the consumers. They are the one hiring this website for the website testing. You have to click here, become a test user. It will take you to this page. Okay, you have to put your name and the email to sign in, and you can get more detail about here. There's it can be okay. It can be done from your via Sky or in person with the client. You will get up to $60 per hour. This is different than any other website testing because they give a link. You click the link and you do the testing. But in the testing time, you need to talk to the client directly or using Skype or in person with client. Okay, if the client is near you, you can go in person, or otherwise you have to use a client. That is why they are paying $60 per hour for your review, your opinion, because it's not like just you using a laptop to do it, because you're gonna talk with a client directly. So you need to what you do, help and shape the future of the product they use, get first access to a new app and a website, and share your experience and make them even better. Try something fun and different. Take a break from your daily routine, have a fun, and get some excitation too. But you don't have to worry about that. But they will pay you. The study usually take between 30 to 90 minutes, and they pay you $60 per hour. If more than an hour, you can double the money, and then they pay you 10 within 10 working days. So you have to come to the first page here and you need to sign up. So I'm gonna pause my video and sign in and come back and show you guys. So after you put your name and your email address, it was taken to this page where you have to fill the information like your person names, date of birth, and your time zone. And the second page where you have to fill your language, what you speak, and you have a education state, you have a degree or not, your employment status, and what operating system you have. So this is the second page you have to fill. So English, I have university degree and status. I'm a self-employed. Okay, what is employment? Self-employed. I can find the self-employed here. Free. I'm just gonna do freelancer. What operating does your business want? I use Android more often than Apple. Which computer you have? I have a Windows. So go next. And this thing you need to fill your information and your phone section here. Okay, once you put your email address and your phone number, they will give a verification code. When you put the verification code, it will take you to the final page where you have to upload your profile photo. I don't have one, so I'm gonna take directly using this camera here. Okay, I don't have one. Okay, I don't have one, so I can just upload different image. Then I can change it in the future. Okay, text. just in case. For now, I don't have my package here. I'm gonna put this one here, and you need to agree and sign up, and it will take you to the final process where you can get more information about it. Almost done. I need to confirm my email. All right, once you confirm your email address, and you will get this one that you are officially test user here. Recommended testing time to your friends, and okay, more than $60 per hour. You can earn £5 per every referral. So you can do affiliate marketing with this. You can promote the link here in your social media on your website, and if they sign in using this website link, you get £5 referral commissions. What happened now is you will get notified when when the test is available. So you put your email address, you will get notified. When you click the notify, it will take you to, they will have a step-by-step guide to follow. You have to follow this step-by-step guide to complete the test. So you get notified when you through email address. So click the link, it will take you to the web browser, follow the step, you can earn $60 per hour every single time. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe and like my videos, and see you in the next one.